All right, 9.6 practice. Okay, so all we're doing here is we're taking these corner points. Whoops. Let's try that again. We're taking these corner points and we're plugging them in for X and Y. And then it says find the maximum and the minimum. Okay, so basically all I do is I just start at once and go around. So Z equals X, 2 plus 4 times 8. Z equals 4 plus 4 times 6. Z equals 4 plus 4 times 1, and Z equals 1 plus 4 times 4. And just calculate. So 8 times 4 is 32. That's 34. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 4. That's 28. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 4 is 8. And that's 16 plus 1. That's 17. So my maximum is here. My minimum is there. And we're just going to do the same thing. Z equals 5 times 2 plus 2 times 8. Z equals 5 times 4 plus 2 times 6. Z equals 5 times 4 plus 2 times 1. Z equals 5 times 1 plus 2 times 4. So we have 16 and 10, 26. 12 and 20, 36. 20 and 4, 24. 5 and 8, 13. So here we have our max, and here we have our min. Okay, so remember, these two are very important. That basically means we're going to be right of this line and above this line. Just quadrant 1. Okay? Now, on this one, I can do the cover-up method, which makes it really easy. So I just go to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put a dot. Okay? Now, I know that because if I plug a 0 in here, cover it up, y is 10. Cover that up, x is 10. Okay? So then I have my line here. Yes, it should have arrows in the end and all that good stuff. But basically, this means I'm going to shade. Now you want to test. So I'm going to plug in 0, 0. 0 is less than 10. That's true. I shade this way. That's all I need to do to shade. I can do the cover-up method here again. So y is 10 again. I'm going to go with a different color. Y is 10, and x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to connect those two lines. Now, notice it says, I'm going to plug in 0, 0. 0 is greater than 20. True or false? Well, that's false. So I'm going to shade this way. Okay? And our last one, y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 8. So I'm going to put a dot here at 8, and then go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, and just give me more of a line to graph. And I'm going to plug in 0, 0 again. So 0 is greater than or equal to -8. That is true. That means I'm going to shade everything this way. Okay, so hopefully you can see my mistake. I started graphing at 2x plus 8, not minus 8. So what I need to do is fix this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's that. So I need to bring this line now like so. Now, again, 0 makes it true. So when I graph this, sorry for the mess here, it's going to be this way. So let's find those corner points. So under the black line, right of the blue line, up and left of the green line. So we have a corner point here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Then the green line goes up and meets the black line here at 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. And then the black line and the blue line both meet up here at 0, 10. And so what we have is this triangular piece right here. That's the area. And now we're going to plug these in. And it says in the instructions to find the minimum value of z equals x plus 3y. So z equals 4 plus 3 times 0. Z equals 6 plus 3 times 4. And z equals 0. Plus 3 times 10. So 4 plus 3 times 0 is 4 plus 0. 6 plus 12 is 18. And this is 30. So the minimum value is 4 from the point 40. All right, similar idea here. Doing more of the same. Hope I can pay attention this time. All right, cover-up method. Y, now notice this is already done for us because it's kind of already, we're in the first quadrant. So y is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's our line. Now, we went down 5 and right 15. That's negative 1/3. So if you want to get some more points, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. This kind of helps when you're looking for possible intersections later. Just a little hint. Now I'm going to move this. 4 and 2 both go into 20. So y is 10. Oh, I didn't shade. Sorry. So I test 0 is greater than 30. That is false. So I'm going to shade everything this way. We're finding a minimum. So we're actually going to have a net, probably a net here. Okay, back to the other one. Y is 10. So this was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Move this. X is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoops. Messed that up. All right. I got a little messed up there. And it looks like, and we're going to do 0, 0. 0 is greater than or equal to 20. That's also false. So we're shading everything like this. So where are our corner points? Looks like we have an intersection right here, and here, and here. So we're looking at this area here. It's a kind of a net we have. So our spots are 0, 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, and 15, 0. And we're going to plug it into this equation here. So z equals, that's just going to be 0, plus 0.12 times 10, which is 1.2. And then we're going to have 0.18 times 3 plus 0.12 times 4. We just type that in our handy dandy calculator. 0.18 times 3 plus 0.12 times 4 is 1.02. And then we're going to do 0.18 times 15 and plus 0. So 0.18 times 15, that's 2.7. Way big. So here's our minimum right there at 3.34 with a value of 1.02. Right? Again, this and this is done for us. But notice we have a vertical line at 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I should be able to do this one pretty easily. Not bad. So that's going to be everything left of that line. Less than 10. Pretty easy. All right, over here we're going to do cover-up methods. So that's going to be 16 and 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is not good because it's off. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. So that is a slope of -1. So basically, we're just going to go like this. There we have a point of intersection. So that gives at least a little bit better of an idea for our line. I don't know why this keeps doing this. I'm trying to draw a line. So important thing to note is that we have this intersection right here. That might come in handy later. All right, and then we're going to do 0, 0. So 0 is less than 16. That's true. So right now, we are shading everything here. Okay. And last but not least, we're going to do cover-up method here. So y of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's right here. And cover-up method, x is 36. So that's going to be off the chart here, which is not really great, which means we probably should have counted by some other numbers, kind of by 2s maybe. Okay, magic of computers. I just changed it, counting by 2s so everything fit. Okay, so now I'm at the blue line. 0 is less than 36. That's true. So I'm going to shade down here. So what does it look like we have? It looks like we have left of the red line, under the green line. So we have a point right here. We have a point right here, point here, point here, and point here. So we have this shape right here. So what are those points? 0, 0. And we're counting by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 0. 10, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 6, 10. And 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And we're plugging into here. Okay? So you can tell right off the bat this is going to be z equals 0. So we're done with that. Z equals 10 times 12, 120. The 0 makes it go away. Z equals 12 times 10 plus 6 times 40. So that's going to be 360. Z equals 6 times 12, 72. Plus 10 times 40, 400. So that's 472. And then Z equals, that's going to be 0. So 12 times 40, which is 480. And we're looking for a maximum. So that would be 480 by a little bit right there at 0, 12. That is the maximum value. And I was just about to finalize, but I thought, oh, I would point out my error. Hello, it says right here in the instructions, count by twos. How did I miss that? Oh well.